Hi, this is Vimanyu here. Welcome to my channel Talk to Share. Today we're going to be making chocolate tart. We start with the tart. For the tart we're going to take half cup butter and make sure that it's at room temperature. And we're going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar to this. And now we're going to mix it together. Now make sure that the butter is at room temperature because it will be easier for you to mix, as we are going to cream the butter and sugar together to make it into a smooth paste. You're going to keep on mixing it till there are no lumps of butter and the sugar has been mixed properly together. Now we're going to start sifting the flour. We're going to take 2 cups of flour for this recipe. We are using refined flour here. To this I'm going to add 2 egg yolks. Now if you do not want egg yolks, you can use 2 tablespoons of chilled milk, and make sure to add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence to this. Now mix all your ingredients together. I'm going to use my spatula first to mix it all together, and then I'm going to move on to using my hands. It's much more easier to mix with hands, and make sure to use your fingertips to rub the dough together and to make sure that it's of sandy texture, meaning not too sticky and not too wet. And then bring all your dough together. And now I'm going to wrap this up in cling foil. If you do not have a cling foil, you can use an aluminium foil, but make sure that it's properly wrapped. And now we are going to refrigerate it for 60 minutes. Now I'm going to, after 60 minutes, I'm going to take a portion of the dough, and we don't need to grease the mold. And I'm going to press it with my thumbs. And make sure to just press on the sides. You do not want to press it at the bottom. And keep on pressing it till all the sides have been covered. You do not want it too thin. And use another mold to press down on it to properly even it out. If you do not have another mold, just use your fingers. And make sure to cut all the sides, excess of it. Just run along a knife. And prick holes with a toothpick or a fork so that it does not rise when it's baking. I'm going to bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, and make sure you preheat the oven. Now after baking, this is how it will look like. Just press it on the sides of the mold and it will easily come off. Now I'm going to chop up 200 grams of milk chocolate. Just chop it up in small chunks. It will be easier for us to melt. You can use bitter sweet chocolate also if you want. Now I'm going to take 100 grams of cream, fresh cream. You can use any cream you want. Full cream gives you the best result. Now I have heated up the cream for 1 minute in a microwave. Now just add all the chocolate into it. And I have added 30 grams of melted butter to this also. And just mix it all together. It's a smooth sauce consistency. And that's all you need to make a ganache. Keep on mixing it till there are no lumps of chocolate. That's the consistency you want. Now I'm going to add my chocolate ganache to my tarts that I have prepared. Now after you have added all your chocolate to the tart, make sure to just wiggle just to get all the chocolate to set properly, and refrigerate it for overnight, and that's how you get. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like my recipe.